Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to make your design on your pie piece. So the goal here is to make your design simple because you're going to have to trace it a lot of times. Start simple, and if you want to make another one that's more complex, go ahead and do that. But always do your first one simple. Just trust me. You'll thank me later. So once you have a design that you're happy with, you're going to take a thin Sharpie. A thick Sharpie will work too, just won't be able to get as much fine detail. And you want to go over your design. Do it nice and careful. So when you've done that, you're going to flip over your paper and you're going to go over the design in pencil. So the Sharpie will bleed through the paper so you'll be able to see what to trace over. And you want to go over it with your pencil. It has to be a pencil, a graphite pencil. You'll see why in a couple minutes. It doesn't have to be perfect either. See, I'm going over some of the lines more than once. Okay, once you've done that, put it on towards the edge of your paper and you're going to have a little piece of tape that you tape down right at the center. The side that goes down is the side that you just put the pencil on. So right now you're tracing over the Sharpie. And what's going to happen is since you're going over the side with the Sharpie, you are effectively rubbing the pencil from the other side onto the paper. So now you want to mark the two corners as well as the middle because that's how you're going to line up your pieces from here on out. So line up the middle with your middle dot and the corners with your corner dot. Tape it back down. And if your first transfer is a little light, that's okay. That tends to happen, especially the first time. You can go over it again real quick with pencil lightly so that you can see everything. And you might not even have to go over all of it. Just go over the parts that are missing. And then you're going to go over your design again. And what's nice is since you went over it with paper or went over it with pencil the time before, you've reloaded the other side. So every time you finish it, you want to make sure that you mark your corners, tape it down, and just flip it. And you're going to do flipping side to side. You're going to go around a total of 6 times. Now, if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just erase it, just like I did there. Erase it, reset, and go over it again. All right, so once you get your pencil transfer down, you want to take that thin Sharpie and you want to go over it one more time. I found I really liked this because it really brought out the design when I was coloring. So I definitely recommend this step. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to, but it makes your project much more complete at the end. Once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and start to color. My coloring of this got cut off, so I just have a picture of the final project. And there it is.